Alright, I'd like to thank everyone for joining SC Box Breaks. Today's breaks are going to be on the 2013 Hobby Edition of Bowman Chrome. As you can see, our sealed box. It says here, one Chrome autograph in every box, an extra autograph prospect card in every third box. Sealed box. Alright, let's get started. Empty box. Alright, good luck to everybody. Alright, Philadelphia Phillies, Cody Ash. Alright, Bowman Chrome, Corey Cigar. Jose Barreros, Minnesota Twins. Milky Mesa, rookie card, Yankees. RJ Alvarez with the Angels. John Lester with the Red Sox. Matt Curie with the Pittsburgh Pirates. Yadier Molina with the Cardinals. Josh Willingham with the Twins. Yisan Arsenio with San Diego Padres. Nick Tropino with the Houston Astros. Marco Secrutero with the Giants. John Neese with the Mets. Jack Leatherich with the Mets. Jose Pereza with the Atlanta Braves. Jose Reyes with the Blue Jays. Kevin Youkilis with the Yankees. I'm going to stop right here because this is going to be a hit. Make you wait till the end for that one. Jose Nathan with Texas. Tommy Canil with the Yankees. Purple Harold Castro with Detroit Tigers. Numbered 47 of 199. Nolan Fontana with the Houston Astros. Austin Scoats with Detroit Tigers. Blue Harold Castro with Detroit Tigers. Numbered 134 of 250. 134 of 250. Sorry. Striker Trahan with the Arizona Diamondbacks. Mike Trout with the Angels. Jose Altuve with Houston Astros. Ars Midi Alcantara with Chicago Cubs. Doug Fister with Detroit Tigers. Alexis Riviera with the Kansas City Royals. Felix Hernandez with Seattle Mariners. Hasner Alberto with Texas Rangers. Uh-oh, another hit. Delvey Grulon with Philadelphia Phillies. Ryan Braun with the Brewers. Andrew Alpine with the Astros. Nelson Cruz with Texas. All right, Willen Rosario with the Rockies. Ty Buttery with the Red Sox. Jeremy Baltz with San Diego Padres. Chris Medlin, Atlanta Braves, making their mark. Justin Upton, Atlanta Braves. Brevik Valera, St. Louis Cardinals. Luis Torrens, New York Yankees. Josh Hamilton, Angels. All right, Ryan Howard with the Phillies. Anthony Alfrod with Toronto Blue Jays. Creed De La Cruz with the Boston Red Sox. Jason Rith with the Washington Nationals. All right, Ryan Volksong with the Giants. Corey Seager with the Dodgers. Julian Yan with Colorado Rockies. Trevor Rosenthal with the Cardinals. George Alfaro with Texas Rangers. Orange Kansas City Royals, Mike Mostikas. Numbered 4 of 25. 4 of 25. All right, Boston Red Sox, Francilis Montez. San Diego Padres, Jed Grocco. Oakland Athletics, B.J. Boyd. Mini Matt Barnes with the Red Sox. Kyle Smith with the Royals. Wade Miley, Arizona Diamondbacks. With the Reds, Todd Frazier. George Martinez, Cleveland Indians. Adam Wainwright with the Cardinals. Albert Almora with the Chicago Cubs. All right, John Jay, Cardinals. Atlanta Braves, Andre Ubrera. King Griffey Jr. with, let's see here, Seattle Mariners. Eduardo Rodriguez, Baltimore Orioles. And now to our hits. We have Giovanni Gallardo with the Brewers. Then we have Gabriel Guerrero with Seattle Mariners on card auto. Not numbered. Alright, on to our extra hit. We have Ian Kennedy with Arizona Diamondbacks. We have Voisbergy Rosa with the Miami Marlins. And with the New York Mets, on-card auto, Rafael Montero. On-card auto. This card is numbered 169 of 500. 169 of 500. Don't know if you can see the number there. Alright, I'd like to thank everybody for joining SC Box Breaks. Please keep check on my postings for our next break. Thank you.